Good morning children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all good children. So in previous session which topic we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed about longer and shorter. Am I correct children? Yes. In previous session we have discussed about long and short. So now everyone see children, here I am showing two pencils. So here this is pencil and this is pen. So in these two, which one is shorter and which one is longer children? Yes, pencil is shorter and pen is longer. And we learned one more also children, when we compare more than two objects. Okay, when we compare more than two objects, we are using shortest. Okay, shortest and longest. Okay, when we compare more than two objects, we are using shortest and longest. Okay, here I am showing three objects children. So now how can we compare this? Here yellow pencil is shortest object. Okay, yellow pencil is shortest and this pen is longest. Okay, here we are comparing three now children. So that's why this is yellow pencil is shortest object and pen is longest. Okay, like that we are using longest and shortest. So now everyone open Studio page number 4. Okay, open Studio page number 4 children. So first 1.4, look beyond. What if you get a pencil which is longer than your arm? What are the different ways in which you can use it? Discuss with your teacher. So actually this is our pencil size. Am I correct? Yes children, this is our pencil size. Just imagine what if you get a pencil which is longer than your arm. So longer than your arm means, so if the, just imagine the length of the pencil size is like this means, how can we write this children? Is this easy to write? No. Next 1.5. Look at the given pictures and write whether the statements are true or false. Okay, here you have to observe the pictures and write the sentence is true or false. First one. In the first picture you are given three objects, crayon, pen and pencil. I am reading statement children, you have to listen. Is this true or false? The pen is longer than the crayon. Okay, here you have to check children. The pen is longer than the crayon. Yes, is this pen is longer than the crayon children? Yes. So first sentence is true. So write TRUE, try. True. The pen is longer than the crayon. Second statement I am reading children. The drumstick is longer than the piece of chalk. Okay, is it correct? Is this drumstick is longer than the chalk piece? Yes children. Drumstick is long. So write 2. True. Third one. The comb is shorter than the toothbrush. Okay, the comb is shorter than the toothbrush. So check here children, comb and toothbrush. So is this comb is shorter than toothbrush? No, comb is longer children. So this is not correct sentence. So wrong sentence. So write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay. So next. Turn to next page, page number 5. Match the objects that are the same. Okay, here given some objects children. Just you have to match the object with the same object. For example, here building is there, here building is there. Same buildings no. Just you have to match these two objects. So like that these two trees and these two boys and these two lampposts. Like that you have to match children. Next, turn to next page, page number 6. In each pair, one object is shorter than the other. Yes, here you can check children. Here, two buildings are there. Then what is the difference between these two children? Yes, here you have to check. This is taller building. This is shorter building. Okay, in two objects, one is taller and one is shorter. And here also taller boy, shorter boy. And this is longer lamppost and shorter. So this is taller tree and shorter tree. Yes children, here in these two objects, one is shorter than the other one. Next, while comparing more than two objects as shown below, turn to next page, page number 6 children. While comparing more than two objects as shown below, we use the word shortest and tallest. So we discussed now children, when we compare more than two objects, we can say that longest and shortest. So like that, while comparing more than two objects as shown, we use the words shortest and tallest. Okay, here given animals to children, so the living thing we use taller and shorter. Okay, taller and shorter. But here, do you know children what are these? Do you know the name of these animals? What are these? Yes, giraffe. So how many giraffes are there? 3 giraffes. So now check what is the difference between these 3 giraffe children. Now compare these 3. Here we are comparing more than 2 now. So what we have to use? Taller or tallest children? For comparing only 2, we are using taller. But here we are comparing 3 no. So we have to use tallest, shortest. Okay, tallest and shortest. So now check in these 3, which one is tallest children? A or B or C? Yes, A is tallest. Okay, giraffe A is tallest. And which one is shortest? Yes children, giraffe B is shortest. A is tallest and giraffe B is shortest. Next, in the picture, the giraffe A is the tallest and giraffe B is the shortest. And giraffe C is the shorter than giraffe A and taller than giraffe B. So now here children you have to check giraffe C is there now. So is this giraffe C is taller than giraffe B? Am I correct or not children? Just here we are comparing these two. So that's why we are using taller and shorter. Giraffe C is taller than giraffe B. Next, now we'll compare A and C children. Okay, now we'll compare only A and C. So giraffe C is shorter than giraffe A. Okay, giraffe C is shorter than giraffe C. Giraffe C is shorter than giraffe A. Okay children. So when we compare only 2, we are using taller and shorter. At the first we are saying like A is tallest and B is shortest. Why we are saying? So here we compare these 3, we are using, when we compare more than 2 objects, we have to use tallest and shortest. Okay children, now everyone open companion. Open companion children. Companion page number 4. And this is your homework children. Write the numbers to arrange the pictures from the shortest to longest. Okay, here given 4 objects children. Here you have to arrange this from shortest to longest. Yes, shortest to longest. So for writing shortest to longest, just you have to write the numbers children. Which one is shortest? You have to give number 1. And which one is next shortest? You have to give 2. And then 3. And finally for longest, you have to give the number 4. Is it clear everyone children? This is your homework. So here given totally 4 objects. For shortest object you have to give number 1 and then 2 and then 3 and finally for longest object you have to give number 4. And this is your homework children, and this is about today's class. So everyone do the given homework children. So today we discussed about comparing more than 2 objects. Am I correct children? So when we compare more than 2 objects, we have to use longest and shortest, tallest and shortest. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.